Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time actually being on my channel, I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope I don't disappoint you. So as you can see from the title, we are going to be doing a wing liner tutorial today. I was thinking, I was like, you know, you guys know that I love wing liners so much, and I was like, girl, why do I not have a wing liner tutorial on my YouTube channel? Like, that is like beyond me. Like, I don't know why it took me so long to create this video, but it is a requested video because, you know, in majority of my looks, mainly all my looks, I do a wing liner because I don't know, I just love the effect that the wing liner gives me. So the style of wing liner that I like is basically called like the feline. So yeah, I'll insert the clip right here of the wing liner style that I am talking about, that I prefer. If you've been watching my videos previously, you know what type of wing liner I'm talking about. So before we even get into this video, I know you clicked on this video because you want to see how I do my wing liner, but you know, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your bell notifications on so you never miss an upload, and give this video a big thumbs up if you actually like it. Okay, yeah, let's get into the video. So to do the wing liner, of course, you're gonna need a good eyeliner. So the wing liner I personally recommend is the Maybelline Master Precise. And I personally love this one because it is very precise. Just like the name says, it is actually precise. So it has a hard pointy tip. Oh my god, if you want your wing to look very precise, this is the wing liner for you. I know some people like the softer tip liners, but I personally prefer the kind of like stiff tip that this one has. So let me zoom you guys in so you can see everything I'm doing. Now that I have you all up in my space, my personal space, this is definitely not 6 feet, but you know, I'm gonna do it for y'all. So the first step is to kind of like draw out where you want your wing liner to be. I'm just gonna go right where my natural lashes begin. So now that I have my foundation, I'm just gonna fill that in. I like my inner corner wing, so I'm gonna create that. Now I'm gonna just do this eye. I'm gonna fast forward. I'm gonna do this eye for you guys. we're home and, you know, like sometimes we do get bored, I do recommend like practicing your makeup, make sure that you're getting better. So it kind of took some time for me to get to this point, but just keep practicing if you really like the wing liner look and you're just not quite there yet. So find out what you like what looks better on you, because everybody's different. So, you know, this wing liner shape might not look good on your eye based on like your eye shape and stuff like that. So yeah, just keep practicing and do your research, guys. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn your bell notifications on so you can see every time I post a video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.